Hi everybody, I just make this video to show my spare parts and configuration about the quadcopter Alien X500 I gonna make. Here's some of the stuff I just purchased from Hobby King and Banggood, some of them from eBay and some other website as well. So I just go through everything, whatever I got now. Like first this one, you can see that it's Alien X500 frame, and here I got my NACE 32 Acro board, and this one is my power distribution board and the low voltage detector, and my the FR Sky V8 FR receiver, and also I got my sonar module. I don't know whether I'm gonna use this or not. I just bought it because it's very cheap. And I got the buzzer here. Actually I bought a wrong buzzer, like this one for watched some of the video. This one not suitable for NACE 32, but I don't know whether it can work or not, but I have to sit and see whether it can be work with that or not. And this one my prop balancer, and I got my ESCs here. It's 4 ESCs. This one I just got it from eBay, Mr. RC, 30 amps. It's running with Simon K firmware. And this is my Sunny Sky X2212/13. It's 980 kV motor. Actually, most of the people who ever build this quad, actually they're using that there where I got an idea to buy this motor. And I got a lot of propeller, because the first time I bought propeller from Hobby King, I made a mistake. I bought the propeller which is only suitable for DJI type. After that I plan to buy the universal propeller, but I got different size. This one is 9-inch, 10-inch and 11-inch, and this one is a APC propeller. And yeah, so this is some stuff like to hold your batteries with the frame. And this plate actually I make it by myself for to mount the NACE 32 above the power distribution board. I'm still need to hold the board. And this one is my Tenergy 3-cell battery, 222 amps, actually 2.2 amps. And this one actually I bought for my transmitter, Tenergy transmitter, but when I fit it, it's big, so I plan to buy another one battery which I using now in my transmitter, which is the same Tenergy Nanotech 850 milliamps. And this one is my battery. I plan to put it on my quad. It's Tenergy, it's 5 amps, that one, yeah, 5000 milliamps. And this one is my Tenergy 9XR Pro transmitter, and this one FR Sky DJT module. So actually I bought this from Hobby King, this module, and then the receiver, and then excuse me, the transmitter as well. And this one is my IMAX B6 charger. I bought it from eBay. I don't know whether it's original or not, but it's actually doing the job. That's what I want. And there are some cables. It's servo cables. It's usually actually it's useful for connecting stuff like camera, video transmitter, some other stuff. I just bought it for extra. It has I have no purpose to use that unless there is a situation. And this one is a battery connector as well, and this one bullet connector, and some nylon screw and spacer, and this one EXT60 battery connector, and some silicon wire. And also in here I bought this in a hardware store. It's a M3 screw and nut and washer, because when I'm planning to mount the board and then the power distribution board, I got a problem with the nylon screw, so I plan to use the metal screw instead of nylon screw. And yeah, pretty much I think I go through every steps here. Like, I'm still waiting for some other parts, like my flight control mount and some stuff. Actually now I'm nearly ready to start to build. In the future I will make video of my build and post. Thanks guys, I just post this video that will help someone maybe who have idea to share someone who have idea to build this stuff. Just please leave your comment if anything you would like to suggest me, or anything you want to know. Thank you for your time. See you next video.